So not every single tag management system integration is the same. What the integration does actually matters in the context of this space. So let's talk about that a little bit first with a painful diagram here depicting how a tag management system works and what a basic integration does. So in this example, we've got car.com website that has the Google Tag Manager tag management system on the page. And that tag management system is responsible for firing the Amplitude JavaScript tag and the Facebook JavaScript tag and the data collection that happens subsequently once those tags are on the page. Now, a tag management system uses a lot of information about the web page itself and information on the website to make decisions about what tags to and not to fire. All of that information in Google parlance is stored in what they call the data layer. And the data layer is just the standardized place where Google recommends folks push information so that the Google Tag Management System can do its job. Now, this is relevant in the context of privacy because your CMP today, when it says it has an integration with Google Tag Manager, what they're actually saying is they push information like the consent state into the data layer so that your tag management system can dynamically control which tags do and don't fire. Well, that's great. And of course, it's important. But that's not exactly an entire integration because at the end of it, your marketing teams or whoever controls the Google Tag Manager application still has to go into Google Tag Manager and click a bunch of buttons to configure that the Amplitude script tag depends on purpose analytics. Whereas in Ketch, our integration that you're looking at here actually goes in and syncs with Google Tag Manager or whatever TMS you're using, and it pulls down the list of tags. It tells you their status. You can define what purpose dependencies exist. And when you make those choices, you can say this Braze tag can't fire unless and until, let's say, just targeted advertising. When you make that choice, it automatically goes into Google Tag Manager and configures every little thing that needs to happen so that all of those checks are respected the next time the page loads, as opposed to perhaps a new marketing team member showing up in the other model putting a new tag on page that you didn't even know about and can't control from your UI. The integration with Google Tag Manager should not just be limited to pushing data into the data layer. It should be an end-to-end integration where the set of tags that are in GTM are clearly displayed, your controls for those tags are easily configured, and the last mile work in Google Tag Manager is done for you so that other people aren't clicking buttons and making errors.